Meet our forward-facing parking sensor solution, making low-speed maneuvering safer for everyone. The parking sensor kit comprises of an ECU, GPS park and 4 sensor heads, along with a 22mm hole saw, 3-meter extension cables, a buzzer, and some angled rings. The angled rings are 7 and 13 degrees, as well as the standard 0 degree that comes on the sensor heads already fitted. The sensors are easy to install, with the ECU being powered by just live and earth. Speed comes from the GPS buck, and the sensors will work from 1 mile an hour to 6 miles an hour. The detection range of the forward-facing sensors is 1.2 to 30 centimeters. The beeping will get more intense. When you're at 30 centimeters, there'll be a constant tone. When in traffic, the beeping will cut off after 5 seconds. Whether retrofitting a fleet or upgrading a single vehicle, our forward-facing parking sensors delivers precision, style and ease of use, giving drivers confidence every time they pull forward. Should you want these sensors or any of our other products, please call us on 0208 863 8333 or visit our website www.c-ko.co.uk.